Never let it be said we don't bring the big guns to video for York Region here at Collision Conference.
It's an incredible opportunity to be part of the pavilion. We have an awesome space here. We've had a lot of traffic.
First time being at a conference like this, and it was overwhelming on day one. It took me about an hour to get my bearings.
Thanks for the real good opportunity because it was really good exposure. We got a few of the clients here.
Really all of North America technologies come here. You really get a sense of what's going on in the startup community.
Discussions, the networking opportunities have really been fantastic.
I've learned things, I've met people, bumped into all sorts of cool, crazy people, opportunities, startups. It's great.
We've been in York Region since we got started in 1991. We've grown with the region. It's a great source of talent.
Not only are we growing, but the tech hub and the tech community within the York Region is growing.
It's a great environment for attracting that talent, and we are able to hire and retain amazing talent there.
So we feel we're in the right place. We feel that there's a great opportunity to grow within York Region.
Well, it's been an extraordinary 3 days here at Collision. The conference is taking place every year for 3 years, 2019 to start, York Link Pavilion. We've had so much excitement and action with dozens of interviews that we've done. These companies based in York Region. We've had tons of foot traffic from press and politicians alike, and it's been so much fun. I hope you've been enjoying the coverage. I'm Mark Saltzman signing off from Collision.